Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are diving into the dynamic world of software development businesses. In the age of technology, software development has become a cornerstone of our daily lives, and the industry is booming. In the USA, the opportunities are boundless. Whether you're planning to develop the next big app or provide bespoke solutions for businesses, starting your own software development business can be a rewarding and profitable venture. So, if you're ready to take the plunge, let's get started with the first step. Step 1, identify your niche. The software industry is vast, and finding your unique place in it is crucial. Now, why is this so important? Well, by pinpointing a specific area of focus, you become an expert in that field. Your understanding deepens, your skills sharpen, and you become the go-to person for that particular service. This not only increases your value, but also sets you apart from the competition. So, what are some niches you could consider? You could delve into custom software development, creating tailor-made solutions for businesses. Or maybe you're more interested in app development, turning innovative ideas into functional applications. Another path could be software consulting, where you analyze a company's software needs and provide strategic advice. Take time to evaluate your interests and strengths. This is about finding a sweet spot where your passion meets demand. Remember, finding a niche that aligns with your expertise and passion will set the foundation for your software development business. Next up, forming an LLC. This step is all about making your business official. It's where your software development venture moves from an idea to a registered entity, recognized by the law. The first stage in forming an LLC, or Limited Liability Company, is choosing a unique name for your business. This name should reflect your brand, resonate with your target customers, and comply with your state's LLC naming rules. It must also be distinguishable from other business names already on file with your state's Secretary of State office. So do a thorough search to ensure your desired business name is available. Once you've selected a business name, it's time to file the necessary paperwork, known as the Articles of Organization. This document outlines the basic information about your business, such as the name, nature of business, and the names of the owners. Some states also require you to name a registered agent, a person or business that agrees to send and receive legal papers on your behalf. Now you might be wondering, isn't this too complex? Well, not really, especially if you have the right help. Companies like Taylor Brands simplify the process of setting up an LLC. They handle all the paperwork, ensure accuracy, and even provide helpful advice along the way. It's like having a knowledgeable friend guiding you through each step, making the entire process efficient and stress-free. After filing your Articles of Organization and paying the state filing fee, congratulations! You've formed an LLC. But don't pop the champagne just yet. There's still more to do. You'll need to create an operating agreement, which outlines the ownership and operating procedures of the LLC. While not all states require this, it's a good practice to have one. And there you have it. The process of forming an LLC. From choosing a unique business name to filing the Articles of Organization, each step brings you closer to making your dream a reality. With companies like Taylor Brands at your disposal, it's easier than ever to navigate these waters. Once your LLC is established, you're officially in business. But there's more to do before you can hit the ground running. With your LLC set up, it's time to obtain an Employer Identification Number, or EIN, from the Internal Revenue Service, commonly known as the IRS. So, what is an EIN and why is it essential for your budding software development business? Simply put, your EIN is like a social security number for your business. It's a unique 9-digit number assigned by the IRS to businesses operating in the United States. It's used to identify your business entity and to track your business's tax reporting. But the importance of an EIN extends beyond just tax purposes. If you plan to hire employees, having an EIN is a must. It's also often required to open a business bank account, apply for business licenses, and even to file your business's annual report. So, how do you go about obtaining an EIN? The process is quite straightforward. You can apply for an EIN directly through the IRS website, and the good news is, it's completely free. You'll need to fill out the required information, such as your name, social security number, and address, along with details of your business. But if you're looking for an easier way, consider using Taylor Brands. They can streamline the process and handle your EIN application on your behalf, leaving you more time to focus on building your software development business. With your EIN in hand, you're one step closer to launching your software development business. Now, let's talk about setting up your office. This is a crucial step in starting your software development business. An office isn't just a physical space, it's a manifestation of your business's identity. It's where ideas are born, strategies are developed, and goals are achieved. First, let's consider a home office. This can be an excellent option if you're just starting out or if you're running a small operation. It's cost-effective, commute-free, and offers flexibility. But remember, it's essential to designate a specific area as your workspace to maintain a work-life balance. This space should be free from distractions and equipped with all the necessary technological tools. Second, there's the option of co-working spaces. These are shared workspaces that offer a professional environment without the financial burden of a traditional office lease. Co-working spaces often have a vibrant community of entrepreneurs, providing you with ample networking opportunities. Plus, they usually come equipped with amenities like high-speed internet, meeting rooms, and even coffee bars. Lastly, we have commercial office spaces. This is a more traditional route, ideal for larger teams. Having a dedicated office space can enhance your business's professional image. However, it's important to keep in mind that this option comes with higher costs and longer-term commitments. When setting up your office, whether it's at home, in a co-working space, or a commercial building, remember to create an environment that fosters productivity and creativity. Invest in ergonomic furniture to ensure comfort during long working hours. Maintain a clean and organized workspace. And don't forget to add a touch of your brand's personality to the decor. Remember, your office is more than just a spot to park your computer. It's a place where your business will grow and flourish, so take the time to set it up right. A well-organized office space will boost productivity and enhance your business's professional image. You've got your office set up, now it's time to build your team. The strength of your software development business hinges on the team you assemble. A dynamic mix of individuals, each with their unique skills and experiences, will be the backbone of your enterprise. So how do you go about assembling this dream team? Start by identifying the roles needed for your business. This could range from software developers, project managers, UX designers, to quality assurance specialists. The key is to have a clear understanding of the skill sets each role requires. Next, consider the experience levels. A balanced team includes both seasoned veterans who bring industry expertise and fresh faces who bring innovative perspectives. This mix fosters a culture of learning and growth. Now on to the hiring process. Don't rush it. Take your time to find the right fit for each role. Look beyond the resume. Consider the candidate's problem-solving abilities, their passion for technology, and their fit with your company culture. Remember, skills can be taught, but attitude and passion are innate. Consider using recruitment agencies or job boards tailored for the tech industry. These platforms can help you reach a wider pool of talent. Lastly, invest in your team. Provide opportunities for professional development. Encourage collaboration and open communication. After all, a motivated, well-equipped team is a productive team. With a strong team behind you, you're ready to take on the software development world. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to starting your own software development business in the USA. We began with the importance of identifying your niche. Remember, it's crucial to understand where you fit in the market and what unique value you can bring. This is the foundation of your business. Next, we walked you through forming an LLC. We delved into the advantages of an LLC, including liability protection and tax benefits. And we recommended Taylor Brands for their expertise and ease of use in setting up an LLC. Following that, we discussed the necessity of obtaining an employer identification number, or EIN. This is a key step as it allows you to hire employees, open a business bank account, and more. We then moved on to setting up your office. Whether you opt for a traditional office space, a home office, or a virtual setup, having a professional and functional environment is vital for productivity and growth. Lastly, we emphasized the importance of building your team. A business is only as strong as its people, so hire wisely, nurture talent, and create a culture that promotes growth and innovation. Remember, starting a business is a journey, not a destination. So take it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be running a successful software development business. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more entrepreneurial tips and guides.